Hey everybody, it's Friday morning. I'm on island time, so it doesn't really matter. Finally got some clip-on shades for my glasses. Sorry my camera's a little shaky, I'm using the monopod today. So, I just left Walmart. Everybody is still asleep in the condo, so I decided to go kind of do my own thing this morning. I don't want to go do any of the activities I had planned for everybody, but I at least wanted to run to the store and get some these little things to clean my lenses and to clean the my goggles too, and then to film a little bit this morning. I hope you guys liked yesterday's vlog. It's the first time I've done, well, not the first time. The day I went to West, I did a multiple video shoot, and there's stuff that I cut out yesterday. It was just stupid stuff, and I filmed some in the pool, but it wasn't worth putting on there. And as you can tell, the sunglasses don't do a whole lot because they don't come above here, but I've got my hat in the car, so if I'm wearing my hat, I'll be fine. So I was thinking about crossing and going down to the beach and then coming back up and crossing again. Whoa, that tide's really high today. So I'll give you guys a look at what I'm looking at. So as you can see, I'm going to find a place to cross now. I think it's all the way down there. So I'm going to get across here and get out on the beach. Alright, I'm going downstairs now. Ooh. And we're at high tide. I didn't realize it was high tide still. Boy, is it ever high tide. I'll show you guys. Okay, you can see the stairs I just went up. Here's the rocks that cover next to the seawall to protect it, and there's the water. And normally it's about 25 feet lower than that, because there's usually a bunch more beach. But as you can see down that way, there's no beach right now. It's all water. So I'm still gonna walk over here, but I'm just gonna walk on the rocks. So far it's been fun. I just wish I could have got everybody to come out today and jumped in the ocean this morning before it gets too hot. But they're tired from yesterday, and you know me, I'm up early every day, so it is what it is. But hopefully today, I think we're going to Seawolf Park here after a while, after we eat and everything. Everybody gets up and we eat, and then we might go to the Railroad Museum today. I kind of wanted to say that for tomorrow, because supposedly they let you ride this train, and I don't know if it's the train or the trolley or what, but I'm going to look it up and see. That's disgusting. Sorry, there's oil in that water, but we'll walk back over here. I didn't realize it was high tide or I'd be walking the beach. So, anyway, I'm going to get back to where we were at yesterday. God, there's a lot of people out today already. I'm going to get back to the condo and get everybody rounded up so we can get going and go have some fun today. So here's another shot of the ocean for you guys. Not pretty, but I love it anyway. At least it's the ocean. Alright, so we're at Seawolf Park. Gonna go on the destroyer here and the submarine here. We're doing the submarine first. So this is the USS Kampala. Alright, let's get up these stairs. Alright, we're going in here. About to fall there. These stairs. trying to get through that thing. Your bulkhead, it's crazy. Alright, here's some of the quarters these guys had in here. You can see how small it is based on how big I am. It's crazy. Like, there's no way somebody my size could be on a submarine.
There's no way I could ever be on a submarine no matter what my size was. I'd cry.
It's crazy. I don't know how people do it. And they stay gone for like a really long time.
I would cry every night. She would cry every night. Every single what? Both their asses on the mountain.
Alright, I'm gonna try
Or like
to get
the
through this
belt
door.
loop, like it's stuck on it. Like look.
Yeah, have you ever had your belt loop get caught on a doorknob? What does that have to do with it?
Wait, look, this is a really cool tea kind of kettle thing.
Coffee urn?
This is sweet. I'd love to watch my coffee come down and go into my cup.
Let's see.
That's awesome.
It's a percolating one.
It's a percolating.
It's cool.
It's a percolator?
A percolating one.
Alright, here's the shower. The one place on the ship you don't want to drop the soap. There's a shower head there. There's the main shower head there. So this thing has 4 engines, it looks like, because engine 1 is up there. Here's 3 and 4, and 2's got to be somewhere.
You get that valve gasket changed yet?
Nope.
What about below us? What is this?
Claustrophobic, sir.
Yeah, you're on a submarine. I forgot to tell you, I'm claustrophobic.
Can I push the start button?
No.
This light bulb.
Start. And that one's all uncovered. That's like a plastic one. They replaced that. There's no way that was.
Yeah, I'm gonna change some gears for us.
Oh, cool. I like those knobs.
Those are really cool.
Alright, we're in the Railroad Museum here on the island, and I love trains, so we decided to come here. Here's these old-timey telephone booths. It's pretty cool. Well, I'm a train nerd, so look at this thing. And they have these, looks like paper mache people that they did to make it look like the place is full. Alright, so we're out here with the trains. Can't actually get in them. So I think they're still working on them, but we can look at the outside of them here. So they have a lot of trains. Like a crazy amount. But even though we can't go in, it's still pretty cool. I'm like excited by it. So, oh, here's one we can go in.
Did that say ice water? Is that how
Yes, that's how high the water line is. That's how high the water line was.
Is it like a mark?
Yeah. So to get some distance, that's how tall I am. I'm like 6'4", and that's what the water line was. So let's go up inside this one. Oh, that one's kind of cool. You can see that one. Let's get you guys out so you can see it. Okay. Cool. Whoa.
Billy's still outside. Guys, I'm opening the window. Is that bad?
It's hot.
I was gonna see if you were still outside because I can open the windows in here. Look, isn't that cool? You unlock them?
Yeah.
Makes it a lot cooler in here. Should I shut it?
Yes, shut it. If it was...
Will you shut the other one? Please?
You see the modern day beers in the kitchen? Looks like someone had a little party recently.
They've probably been working on this thing, trying to get it done.
Yeah.
Whoa. What is this one? Oh, I guess we can go on this one too. Boy, trains, I didn't I guess they have parties and stuff in here, which is kind of cool. I want my birthday party here. But I don't live in Galveston, so that probably wouldn't help me much. Katie.
Huh?
You're like, it's not the ladies' room. It doesn't have a toilet.
I said, how's it the ladies' room? It doesn't have a toilet. Like, you pee in front of everybody?
That's
Oh,
not.
here's the toilet.
It's a women's like lounge car.
Look at that nice fan that keeps you cool.
This is where women give birth.
Yeah, that's it.
They're beds.
Jump up.
You know, like jacket.
Tom's. It looks like a hanger. Oh, I want to open these windows. It's so hot.
You can buy the sleeper bunk, or you can just buy the cheap seats and sleep standing up, sitting up.
Well, what have I always done?
Yeah.
Hey, someone with their hat in here. Looks like a nice hat.
Alright, now we're in the mail room. Yeah, while they were going. Yeah, while they were going, they sorted it. There's no point in wasting your time sorting it and then moving. You just do it all at once. And then now imagine each of these is just the stop number.
Oh, I got a free door if anyone wants it. It's a 46.
Hey everybody, the wife and I decided to get away and go eat dinner. This is where we ate. Healthy Chinese buffet. It was pretty good. The buffet was really big. The sushi wasn't bad. They had some that was like tuna, like out of the can tuna, which was kind of odd. They had a couple other rolls that were really good. But it was a huge buffet. And I'm stuffed, so I think now we're going to go swimming. And then after that, probably just relax and I'll get this edited and uploaded eventually tonight. Alright everybody, I'm getting ready for bed. I'm booting up the PC right now to start working on today's video. So, and it's already nearly 11 o'clock. I got to screwing around talking to the kids, and we were in the hot tub for a really long time. Met a really nice couple down there at the Dunn's place here. So, today was a really good day. I just noticed I have a stain on this shirt. All my good shirts are stained. So anyway, I'm going to do that. I'm going to check the surf reports to see who's got the best surf for tomorrow. That's probably where we're going to go spend the day at the beach. I don't know if that's going to be here in Galveston or it'll be at Surfside, but either way, you guys will be along for the ride for that. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the like button if you did, and make sure you subscribe. I'll be having, if you look at some of my older videos, usually like a one-shot, just record and upload, and these are a little different, and they will be while we're on vacation, and I may switch it up, I don't know yet, but go ahead and hit the subscribe button. What that'll do is it'll show my channel on the left side of your screen. I'm trying to think, that's my left hand. I was trying to think what it looks like in the camera, but it'll be on the left side of your screen, and it'll show